Right now, our Health Sentiment API is showing an intriguing spike, a sentiment score of plus 0.36 and a momentum of plus 0.47. This is notable because it exceeds the historical baseline by a significant margin, indicating a shift in public perception about health-related topics. You can use this API to access nuanced insights across 18 semantic clusters, allowing you to see not just the overall sentiment, but also what specific issues are driving these changes. For example, if you're developing a health app, you could leverage this data to tailor content or features that resonate with users' current sentiments, ensuring you stay relevant in a rapidly changing landscape. Get started with our API today at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.